Guys, ito pong bagong dating sa amin sa bike shop, Devil Meta. Ito po ay full suspension mountain bike at yung brake niya is Shimano MT200. Ito yung dala niya. Tapos, ito naman yung rear shock niya, DMN. Yan. Medyo maliit lang at itong crankset niya is naka-Halotech na din, SR13. Yan, brake set, 160mm rotor. Guys, ito pala ay 1x12 na carbon frame, Devil Meta FSR. Naka 12 speed, naka Jure 12 speed, naka 12 speed na guys, at saka yung kanyang cogs ay Shimano din. Ito naman yung itsura niya sa harap po. Yan, yung handlebar niya medyo mababa lang yung rise, at ito yung fork niya is with remote lockout na rin. Yan yung itsura, naka long stem. Yung setup niya guys is cross country. Yan, hindi pa pala naka dropper post. Yung gulong niya is pang cross country talaga,